What's up, everybody? Mike here with Reprint, and today's video I just want to share with you guys my Calca DTF film cutter. Can be used for vinyl and many other different things. UVDTF, it'd be a great solution for that as well. I have about 6 of these in my warehouse right now for sale. They are 36 by 24 cutting area. They are auto fed, similar to the Sumas, where they will grab and reorientate to read the registration marks, which you'll see here in a second. I've had this cutter for probably about 6 months now. What I will tell you is it does take unskilled labor. A guy with some scissors and turns it into skilled labor. But this machine is pretty impressive. Personally, I don't find a lot of customers that want to pay extra for a cutting service, but it is an awesome machine. As you can see right here, it drops things off, so make sure you have a box or something to catch these prints because it just keeps going. But it is an awesome addition to the workflow for DTF if you're actually cutting the transfers. If you have large clients that are doing lots of pressing, they would definitely appreciate having everything cut to size, because we all know how much time it takes to cut large orders. So here it is in action. Just want to share that with you. My buddy Fred in the background from Beijing here helping me set everything up. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.